Hello everybody. I'm going to talk about one of my favorite movies. This is for un minuto for my English course. So this movie it's about a man who is living a bored life and he's looking for something that makes feel good. uh, it's life. So he know a crazy guy right there, and he teaching to fight, and he start to fight every day, day a day, and he found kind of freedom in this, and start to look a different person and know her that is a neurotic girl. All of them are neurotic persons, and this is so funny. Uh, but the message of the movie, the final message is that sometimes the persons uh, are living a life that doesn't make them feel good. It's not just like healthy. I mean, uh, feels good with yourself, and I can recommend. I can recommend that. It's called Fight Club, and it's a very classic movie. Bye.